All right, welcome back to Terrible at Fishing. We are going to do an unboxing of a fun little order of mine. Okay, it's not really a box. It's a bag. And this, I hinted about what I did the other day in a broadcast. And this is an order from Discount Tackle. Love Discount Tackle. So, receipt. Okay. So, this right here is something I've never used before. And looked up some videos, so it's kind of, we're going to give this a shot. It's called Bait Fuel. Bait Fuel is a scent that doesn't really smell to you and I, but supposedly the fish smell it. It is scientifically proven. All right, so we've done that, and all my power bait is sort of dried up. So we got rainbow power bait. Very important. Power bait works really well. Now, those are those. Oh, yeah. Yeah. 3 of those, right? Yep. Okay, so chatterbaits is really the only way that I can really use plastic successfully. Not very good at plastics. I'm a hard bait guy. And the jackhammer is Z-Man's ultimate. Now, they broke ways with Evergreen, so the chatterbait called the jackhammer is being discontinued, and they've replaced it with something called the EVO Elite. Right here. EVO Elite. So let's pop one of these open. As soon as I can. Yeah, they really make it hard for you. So I ended up getting the 3/8 ounce because I like small. And so this is the EVO Elite 3/8 ounce. So this one's called the bluegill. They put a little hook protector on it, which is nice. They put a sort of a sparkle on the blade. So, and I got green pumpkin, the bluegill, of course, and the Bama craw in these. So I love chatterbaits. Really do. So now we're going to look at some plastics. So I ended up getting some Z-Man TRDs or turds. We got the Hot Snakes bug. So this one right here is in a green, sort of 2 different greens on it. And I got this one, and by the way, do not leave these in the sun. So with these, I put blue ice packet inside the plastics bag that I have. Just FYI, because these things will melt, So this one right here is green pumpkin. So we got green pumpkin. And we got green pumpkin orange. So on this side is orange, and then we got green pumpkin on that side, supposedly. Yeah. So we got those. And the nice thing about these is that these things really stretch and they last. So these really are designed to go on these. So next, these are so pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. These are Largo shads by Storm. So this is the live bluegill. Look at that. Fantastic paddle tails. I love paddle tails too, so, and this one right here is called the Live Minnow. Really very, very pretty. Oh, no, you can see that really well, but it looks fantastic. And get a sticker. And Live River Shad. This is a blue-green with incredible detail on it. Oh, look at that. It's just so pretty on these. I mean, these are gorgeous. They really are very good. These are 4-inchers. 4-inch paddle tails. And these will actually go on my weighted hooks. Or I don't even really have to put them on weighted hooks because I'm sure they weigh a pretty penny on it. Fantastic. So I got 3 3/8-inch chatterbaits. I got 3 sets of Largo shads, 3 turd creature baits, bait fuel, and power bait. Wow, these are so cool. So now I just need spring, right? I just need spring. Have fun, guys. Oh, by the way, discount tackle. If you live in Oregon, it's a 2-day turnaround time. It's like Amazon Express. It's better than Amazon Express. So really good. Take care.